Before you hit the shows of Fall Fashion Week, there are a few must-have items you'll want by your side. Hi, I'm Krystin Goodwin with Buzz60, and here is your Fashion Week must-have roundup. First and foremost, you need a stellar bag you can rock at the shows. Try a style like this Anne Klein tote. In a versatile color that will go with numerous outfits, this bag has tons of space and compartments to fit all of your essential items. And it's Fashion Week, so it's all about attention to detail. Glam up with accessories. Check out these beautiful crystal dome stud earrings. Or try a unique design like this rhinestone hand chain. This is a beautiful piece that will set your look above the rest. To play up a professional look, you'll want a chic blazer like this black sleeve jacket. A simple 3/4 length style finishes your look. For makeup, keep it simple, but grab a lip plump like this Soap & Glory Extreme Hydrating Gloss. With collagen boosting effects, this lip gloss will give you the polished look you need. So be bold and show off your best look for Fashion Week. Feel good, look good, and let the fashion games begin. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.